Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, guys, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. So, let's see what we'll be expecting for the day on our GBP USD. So, once again, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel and you've not done that, make sure you do well to click on that subscribe button. So, once I drop an update, you will not miss out on any updates I'll be dropping for you guys. And also follow our Telegram channel. You'll find a link in the comment section. So let's take a look at what we'll be expecting on our GBP USD. Now let's start with our trend. For quick analysis, we clearly can see that we are in an uptrend move. Where the market tends to give us series of movements, either it is trending upward, it is trending downward, or it is literally ranging. So we can clearly see that market is literally trending to the upside on this GBP USD. Now this is our first high. Here comes our higher low. This is our second higher high. You can see that this higher high took out this previous high here. So I want you guys to know this high here took out this previous high. Then here comes the higher low. Market eventually gave us a new higher high. You can see that this new higher high took out this previous high, right? And here is our higher low. So now for day traders, for swing trader also, we would be anticipating for a new movement that will give us a new higher high. So this is still the best time for us to enter the buy, as if we would be expecting market to still push up and to clear this previous high, thereby giving us about 150 pips. This is an 150 pips potential movement we will most likely going to grab. So do not miss out on it. Look for a buy setup only once we get the buy setup. This is what we will be looking out for. Now let's go down to the 4-hour time frame. So here is our multiple rejection here, which is we can see as our support level. So we can see that when markets came to this level, we had it bounced up, rejected from the level. Markets eventually came back to this level. We had it rejected, right? It came back again to retest this level. Markets eventually rejected and pushed up. You can see that market is rejecting from this level. Now market has dropped and broken below this level a bit. So we will be expecting to push back up again. So this is still a support level. I do not see it as a breakout. Probably this might be seen as a false breakout. You know, a lot of traders might want to be entering on the sell, thinking to drop. But with what we are seeing, market will most likely go to push up. So if you are to take the buy to come to this level, this will be more than 50 pips. So if you are to hold it, see it eventually form a new higher high, you're most likely going to grab 150 pips. So it depends on what you want to do. Wait for the London session to open. Once the London session open, then look for your buy setup. Once you get the buy setup, make sure you take the buy. If you do not see your buy setup, do not take that buy, as we will still be expecting some bullish move for the day on GBP USD.